From alchemy to trickery, we have been presented with a bewildering array of fanciful ideas. Evil, cackling witches who created potions to poison their victims, and dark, bloody satanic rituals held in the black of night, are all images conjured for us by the books and films. The half-man, half-horned goat is the terrible picture we have of the dark lord of the black magicians. And yet, much of this is propaganda put forward by a fearful church. What is the truth about real magic? The truth is that there are many men and women who have stood out from the crowd and been maligned by the media. Eliphas Levi, Paracelsus, Aleister Crowley, Madame Blavatsky, Saint Germain, Dr. John Dee, and more. Sexual orgies, dark satanic rituals, sacrificing babies, and blood offerings are just a selection of the examples brought to light by the press. And yet, they neglect the very real essence of magic, the parts that many today would call paranormal. It was into this dark and murky world that the masters of magic peered and brought back with them knowledge unattainable by other means. Hidden beneath symbols, in fables, and cloaked in cipher, we will unlock these mysteries with the use of modern science and the darkness of our own unconscious. Real, absolute magic will unlock for us the very secrets of the universe that modern scientists spend billions trying to discover. There is no battle between science and magic. There is only absolute magic.